Negative 48 divided by 6. The rules with negatives and positives, I'm going to write it like this. The rules with negatives and positives when we're talking about division and multiplication is the negative always dominates. The negative is like an infection, so if you got a negative times a positive or negative divided by a positive, the negative infects and the final result is going to be negative. So in this case, we got a negative 48 divided by 6. We do the division just like if they were both positive, and that's 8. But that negative infects this quantity and we get a negative 8. Now, the only way to cure the infection, to get rid of a negative, is if we have another negative come and cancel it out. So that's how you want to think about it. It's an infection that can only be cured by another negative, and that is happening in the second question. So we got a negative number times a negative number, right? Both of these guys multiplying. So the negatives cancel each other out. Negative 4 times negative 8 becomes a positive 32. So here's negative 8 and positive 32.